All right, Miss Wood did a great job teaching you how to multiply decimals by whole numbers, and as promised, I am going to show you how to multiply decimals by decimals. Now again, kind of sounds complicated, but really not. So we've got 3 4/10 times 2 5/10. So we're gonna set this up just like normal. 3 4/10 times 2 5/10. And you will notice that the decimals are lined up in this problem, but it has nothing to do with the decimals and everything to do with how many digits each multiple has. So because this is a 2 by 2, they're just gonna happen to be lined up. So we'll go ahead and carry this out. And again, we're ignoring the decimals until the very end. So we've got 5 times 4, which gives us 20. And we're gonna carry the 2. 5 times 3 gives us 15, plus 2 gives us 17. Now remember, when we are having 2 digits on the bottom row, we have to put that placeholder 0 in. And now we're going to multiply out the 2. So we've got 2 times 4, which is 8, and 2 times 3, which is 6. And now all that's left to do is add. 0 plus 0 gives us 0. 7 plus 8 gives us 15. Carry the 1. And then 1 plus 1 gives us 2. 2 plus 6 gives us 8. Now, as promised, we've got to come back and deal with these decimals. So just like what Miss Wood was saying, all we have to do is count how many decimals are in the whole problem. So in this problem, we've got 1, 2. So 2 numbers come after the decimal in our problem, total. So in our answer, 2 numbers also have to come after the decimal. So we'll start here and we'll go 1, 2. So our answer is 8 50 hundredths, or we could just say 8 5/10. Now, over here, we've got the same digits, but the decimals are in different places. So we're gonna take a look at how this changes the answer. 34 hundredths times 2 5/10. Now, for this one, the decimals are not gonna line up, and that is okay. All right, remember, we're lining up the numbers, not the decimals. So we're gonna carry this out like normal. 5 times 4 gives us 20. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 gives us 17, carry the 1. 5 times 0 gives us 0, plus 1 gives us 1. Got a new row happening, placeholder 0. 2 times 4 is 8. Oops, let me cross that out. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 0 is 0. Add them up. We get 15 again. 6 plus 1 is 8. And then just our 0. Here, we've got, because we're counting the decimals, remember, we've got to deal with our decimals. So we've got 1, 2 digits in this part, and 1 digit down here. So that makes 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal in our problem total. So in our answer, we have to have 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal in our answer. So over here, our answer is 850 thousandths, or even though it wouldn't change the value, we could say 85 hundredths. All right, and that's what we have.